Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste, Dr. Satyanarayana. Very good morning to you in the Nani city,
Yes.
Bibinagar, Telangana state of Bharat.
Did Modi said he's son of God? Why the people say like
No,
that?
no. See, only Jesus was the person who gave Christianity, and he said, I am son of God. And I tell you very honestly, that's why he was assassinated, he was crucified, because he wanted to impose his thoughts on the mind of the people and heart of the people, that what he says is right. But Modi has never said that he is son of God. Modi has said he is ordinary mortals. So many interviews I have heard. When he was asked, how would you be remembered, Mr. Modi? He said, I'm nobody. I'm nobody. I am just like ordinary Mazdoor. I'm working for my motherland, Bharat. I'm trying to help everyone with the power invested in me as the Prime Minister of India, as a servant. I'm a servant of the people of India. I'm a servant of society. Because of the power I'm invested as the Prime Minister of India, I have certain duties and responsibilities. I'm simply performing that. But there is no impurity, there is no dilution, there is absolute commitment, and there is full measure of devotion and passion to serve my motherland and the people of India without discrimination. Sabka saath, sabka vishwas, sabka saath, sabka vikas, sabka vishwas, sabka prayas. His motto is this. He never claimed anything more than that. Every great man renders his service with a sense of service, not some kind of idiots. लेना जानते हो, देना नहीं जानता. Hey, son of the bitch. Hey, idiots. You are a traitor. You are a trader. You are doing trading with your position and power and responsibility. You should play the role as a true servant, and Modi is playing that role as a true servant. I give you some examples. When he wanted to fight election from Varanasi, that is called Kasi, he made one dialogue. Because he is a true nationalist Hindu, true Hindu like Narendra Modi. He is Narendra Dutt, true Hindu. What is true Hindu? Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Every action when he has taken, even in G20, he said one world, one mission, one purpose, one community, that is world community. He is a true Hindu. He is a true Hindu. And in Hinduism, Kasi, that is Varanasi, is considered the most pious and pure persons. I am not that, worshipping persons. I am a true Hindu like Narendra and Buddha. I am a true Hindu of the rank of Buddha and Vivekananda, not a practitioner of a Hindu on the field. No. Thought. My power is thought. That is truth of Buddha. He is both. He is a practitioner Hindu and he is a thoughtful Hindu. He is dual. He is dual. His thought is of Buddha and Vivekananda, and his action is like common Hindu, worshipping this, that, and so on and so forth. He said, न मैं यहाँ आया हूँ, न मैं किसी के द्वारा भेजा गया हूँ. माता गंगा ने मुझे बुलाया है काशी की पवित्र नगरी में. काशी का काया पलट करना है, और हर चीज़ शंभो महादेव के आशीर्वाद से मैं भारत को तीसरी शक्ति बनाना चाहता हूँ. भारत के लोगों को ज़िंदगी में खुशियाँ देना चाहता हूँ. वो त्रिशूल उठा के शपथ लिया है. कर्मवीर पुरुषोत्तम का रोल किया है. समझ रहे हो क्या? क्योंकि समझ गया कि मेरा मिशन क्या है. ही नोज हिज मिशन. समझ गए क्या? न मैं यहाँ आया हूँ, न मुझे कोई बुलाया है, न कोई मुझे भेजा है. ये भारत की पवित्र भूमि जो महादेव की त्रिशूल पर टिकी हुई है, वाराणसी, ये शाम क्वापी गति नाती तेषाम वाराणसी गति. जिसका दुनिया में कहीं भी कोई जगह नहीं हो सारे पापों से मुक्ति के लिए, वो पवित्र धरती है महादेव की त्रिशूल पर टिका हुआ. ये वाराणसी की पवित्र भूमि थी. इसीलिए मैं इस सृष्टि के द्वारा जो चला रहा है, प्रकृति के द्वारा जो ब्रह्मांड की शक्ति ने मुझे इस कार्य के लिए यहाँ भेजा है. वो ये बोला, ये नहीं बोला कि मैं भगवान हूँ. यू आर रॉन्ग. ही नेवर सेड ही इज ए गॉड. ही नॉट ए गॉड इनकार्नेट. नेवर सेड. ही टेल आई एम ए ट्रू सर्वेंट ऑफ द मैनकाइंड, particularly the whole world and specifically for the citizen of India. Without discrimination, he wants to serve everyone. You understand?
Yes.
Now, in the several interviews, he has said, I'm a man with a purpose. I'm not an aimless man. I'm a perfect ship with perfect programming. I know my destination. My destination is to serve India, serve Bharat. My destination is to make India the most developed nation by the end of 2047. He's a missionary man. He's not a god for. Don't blame such kind of great man with mission. All great people are born with a definite purpose in life. So he's the wisest. Any person, if you want to be successful in life, this is the fundamental 4 measures. You must have a definite purpose of your life. You must have a goal. You must have a definite purpose of your life. He knows his mission. He knows his purpose. He knows his goal. A soldier knows his goal to fight for the motherland and die on the battlefield. You know?
Yes.
What is the purpose of a soldier? To defend the motherland. And in that process, he should die and sacrifice his life. What was the mission of Bhagat Singh? To make India free or die. He was hanged. What was the purpose of Subhash Bose? To fight for Mother India. He created Indian National Army and fought against Britishers, and he died. Modi is one such a brand. He also knows his purpose. Every great man has a definite purpose. Every ordinary man must have his definite purpose. He should have alliance with the people of India, people of world. Master Alliance Partner. It is philosophy by Andrew Carnegie, who was propagated by Napoleon Hill. He understands he's working hard. Modi works 18 hours a day for the last 30 years. Whole life he has worked hard. He's a detached man. He's not a man with selfish attitude. Self-gratification is not in his dictionary. He's a patriotic man. He will never bow his head before enemies, Pakistan and China. Like Nehru did. When 1962 war came, China grabbed thousands and thousands of kilometers of territory of India, and Nehru said, forget, these are only hills, they are not very productive thing. He's not that. He will fight for every inch of Mother India. He had taught good lessons to Pakistan. He has looked into the world supreme power eye to eye. He's a man, flesh and blood, ordinary man with extraordinary mission and purpose in life. And this fool says, he says God. Hey idiot, you are failed. You are misguided, misjudging people. Shame on you. Shame on you. Have you mission in life? What is your goal? To have sex, to produce children, to eat, to sleep, to drink and die like cattle? Again I tell you a wonderful thing. What my best friend Longfellow said. In this world broad field of battle, you must feel ashamed to live the life of cattle, animals. You must have a definite purpose in life. People will only remember you if you have contributed significantly to the world. In true line I will tell you. In this world broad field of battle, in the bivouac of life, be not a drum-driven cattle. Who is cattle? Aimlessly living, without purpose living. Aimlessly just living because life is to live. Born, growth and death. Modi is not that. He has a mission. And he has fulfilled all his mission. 370 abolished. Talak abolished. Nari Shakti Abhinandan bill passed. Gas supply to every poor people. Electricity, every nook and corner of Mother India, every villages. Education for all. Uplift for women. The numbers of women are increasing. The sex ratio is becoming better. But he has no magic man. He is not a God that he can do miracles. God has never done any miracles. God also believes in action. Action. Karmaneva adhikaraste mahafalesu kadachana. You have to do the work. He is a karma yogi. Also he is Jnana yogi. Also he is Bhakti yogi. He is blend of all. He never says he is God. He never says anything. He only says this, I have a mission to serve the people of the world at large and at least to the citizen of our motherland, that is called Bharati, without discrimination. But the people of India are selfish. They are self-centered. They want to fragment India. They want to divide India on various parameters. Caste, creed, race, religion, all he is dividing. But he sees India, the developed country by the end of 2047, Viksit Bharat. You can see everywhere there is a glimpses of the growth. Airports, railway stations, transportation. You have gone to America and you came to India and said, Indian roads are not less than American. Did you say? Tell me. You
Yes,
were
sir.
in
Yes,
Boston.
Yes.
Who? He did. Modi did it. Modi is not a god. He is flesh and blood like you, but he is committed with a definite purpose. Thank you, Dr. Sir.